Four of the most active stocks for Thursday, the 20th of November, 2025. We have NVDA, ONDS, Tesla, and Open. NVIDIA giving up all the gains of yesterday's earnings disclosure. It's giving up everything. Now down 3.28%. Yeah, let's see now. Let's see what's going on. It's surely is going to be moving. Must have moved a lot of shares. 303 million shares have crossed the tape. We have a position in Nvidia, so it's good that you know that. High beta stock. Yes, you can see the broader market is down some fraction. So obviously it's not down up to 3%. If the broader market's down 3%, I think that'll be huge. So Nvidia is magnifying what's going on. That's why it's a high beta stock. Volatility is expected to increase somewhat. Option activity. Let's go down and have a look. Oh yeah, option activity should be here. It should be showing us some heavy volumes. Given that it has this sort of you have 300 million shares have crossed the tape. Yeah, you can see that. You can see volume, open interest. Volume is very high. Open interest not as high. Not as high, but obviously higher than regular. Let's see now. Sometimes the weekly ones. This is the number November 3. No, sorry, November 28 weekly. Let's have a look. This is a monthly. This is a monthly. Let's see. To have taken time to load up. Yeah, but in any case, you can see that here. Yeah, a decent amount of volume. So it's usually associated whenever you see these heavy volumes, there's a good chance that you may be dealing with high open interests and volumes. Yes, and that's what we're dealing with concerning Nvidia. While we're waiting for that to come up, we're on the we're on the daily chart on the 4 hour. Okay, let's get to the daily chart. Okay, yes, same here as well. Not as much on these ones, but they're so active and they change really fast. Yeah, so if that's the point I'm trying to make. Market makers are getting involved, doing their best to cover their back, so that they don't get into trouble. So underlying trend strongly bullish. The stock has been contracting. The expansion has been contracting. Or profit taking has been going on since the whole of this month. The algos are saying that it may continue to. Yeah, okay. It's saying that by tomorrow, much of this weakness might play out. We are going into Monday, the 24th, and then maybe by Tuesday, I might attempt to bounce, but the 40-day moving average won't let it. Projections are saying 181.67, just slightly above where it is now. 214.34, 227.87, 236.24. The odds of it retesting this um, high of 202 is not very high, not high at all, very tiny. Let's see what the news are saying about Nvidia. Nvidia's Q3 revenue hit 7. Okay, we know that already. Let's see something. Let's see something is behind this weakness we're looking at right now. Let's see. Is that misunderstood? Here's what mattered most from earnings. The results offer clues that the AI spending cycle has a way to go. Okay. Johnson Huang was defiant. There's been a lot of talk about an AI bubble. He said on the call. Yeah, I heard that. From our vantage point, we see nothing. We see something very different. Okay. So that's that. Analysts are cautious, but Nvidia and the management team are not. They don't see anything. They don't see what the market sees. Okay, are we going to have anything here? Okay, the memory is tight. Okay, let's see. ONDS. Yeah, okay. Equally contracting its own expansion. This one is on its the contraction began in on the 9th of October, and lower prices actually expected to keep printing up till the 22nd of December. Then after that, from the 23rd, they might attempt to bounce, maybe print a V recovery, but we okay. I can't say exactly if the 40-day moving average will prove to be a resistance. Projections are currently saying 6.39, 10.07, 12.02, 13.23. It's down 16.13%. Yeah, we're in DS. Announces $35 million investment in PDW Holdings. Okay, okay, this is what I have to do. I have to refresh this. Tesla is down 1.65%. Let's see. Okay, and lower prices are equally expected to keep printing. It's uh, it's contracting the expansion that it's contracting. It's been on a downtrend since the 6th of November. Yeah, it's been on downtrend since the 6th of November. I think it announces own earnings outcomes or something like that. But yeah, projections are currently saying 41722, 395.50, 382.09. Okay, yeah. Let's see whether there's any news for Tesla. Delaware Supreme Court will rule on Elon Musk's 2018 pay package, which could affect Tesla's profits by $26 billion over 2 years if invalidated. Tesla has partnered with TSMC and Samsung for AI5 chip production, including two US sites. Um, Samsung's $16.5 billion contract extends in 2033 with possible increases. Okay, there's much more going on there. There's always some news concerning Tesla. So lower prices going all the way down towards the 2nd of January. Okay, they mean that's a long time to come. A lot can change between now and then. So okay, Open is equally expected to keep printing low prices towards the 2nd of January. Projections are currently saying, let's see what we have: 6.15, 4.88, 4.10, 7.56, 8.45, 8.99. Okay, let's see whether there's anything in the news. Okay, yesterday, okay, that was yesterday, no fresh news. Okay, yeah, so, yeah, let's see. We're still struggling with this one. Okay, so have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.